Hello guys, welcome to Viology. I am here for a product review that was sent to me. So if you'd like to know what this product is, stay tuned. Welcome to Viology. Okay guys, well, I was sent a product over, so I am doing the review, and this is Oaskys is the brand name that is sponsoring this video. And I have a California King bed, and they sent over this huge package, which it was vacuum sealed. I have opened it. It's some instructions that I must do to it, but this is the Oaskys. I have my notes here. California King mattress pad cover, cooling mattress topper, cotton top, pillow top with down alternative field. It is a California King, and it is 12 by 24 inches filled pockets. It has real deep pockets so it can fit around your mattress. I do have a pillow top mattress, so this should fit perfect. So I'm gonna video with me putting this on my bed, and as I do this, guys, I'm gonna give you the specs on this pillow top. And Oaskys, thank you for sponsoring and hosting this video. So guys, let's put this on my bed.
Just be. Don't take it. Taking, just don't be. And live my life. Don't take it personal. I ain't lying. I ain't hiding. I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG.
Okay guys, let me give you the specs to this California King mattress pad. First of all, it is all 100% cotton. The second thing, they give you some tips. The package comes to you vacuum packed, so lay it in the sun so it can get its full effect and all its fluffiness by the sunlight, or just keep it for the few days. The next spec is the feature. It is cooling, it is breathable, it is ultra soft, it is beautiful, and it is luxury. So the next thing, guys, is the design. Compared to a lot of normal diamond type quilted mattress pads, this one is like totally different. It is squares, as I showed you. It is filled round, and it runs all the way around the whole piece of the square. So it's multiple squares, but it is completely filled. Unlike some mattress pads that you have some of it, it may be a diamond, but some of it is filled, the rest of it is not filled. On this one, guys, you have the full square on each one of the squares. They are fully padded. So the next thing of the elastic fabric pockets. The elastic, guys, it is very deep pocket, and it's just not the four corners. You have so much of width from the top of the padding to the elastic. It is very stretchable. The elastic is very stretchable, so I had absolutely no problem putting it onto our mattress. And when you're dealing with a California King mattress, guys, it's some work, but it was absolutely so easy. The care to this, with this being covered as far as cotton, it is easy to care for. You just throw it in the washing machine, put it on tumble dry on low. It is very easy maintenance. So You don't have to worry about all of that. To dry clean or to wash it on general cycle. You just put it in the washing machine, wash it as normal, put your regular cleaning supplies for your laundry in it, and it's just that easy. So the materials, as I told you, it is made of 100% all cotton. All cotton. So guys, this is what was sent to me. I will send over the link down in my description. Oaklys, thank you so much.
You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. Hey. Taking just don't be and live my life. Don't take it personal. We just building. It's my season. Lay foundation. Make a name for generations. Please and make a then take a break or a little vacation and chasing blues away. Hey, hey. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning or look like you always be working, soaking the moments you live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. I'm in a place serene and pure and free. Hey, I ain't worried about what's the wave, only worry about me. Yeah. Oh, I'm taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. Taking just be. Don't take it. Taking just don't be and live my life. Don't take it personal. I ain't lying. I ain't hiding. I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be Just don't take it personal. We just building. It's my season. Lay foundation. Make a name for generations. Please and make a and take a break or a little vacation and chasing blues away. You always posting a pictures, trying to look like you winning or look like you always be working. Soaking the moments you live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, 'cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me.
My review of my overnight sleep. My husband and I probably pulled him in for our overnight sleep or what our mattress looked like. And guys, I can honestly say it was another mattress pad that I had, and it did not fit right. It was California King, and it did not fit our bed correctly. So this one, guys, I can honestly say it fit perfect. I mean, absolutely perfect with the rim of the top of the mattress. And you know, most mattresses now are pillow top, and with mine being pillow top, it's perfect. I mean, absolutely perfect. So guys, I'm gonna come in the day after to give you a review, and probably hubby will too, of what we think of how it slept. Because my husband is one that do sweat at night, and you know, your girl is at that age now, so of course we do our sweat at night. So I am gonna come in probably with hubby, as I said, to give us our total product review. As of right now, I can tell you the feel of it. You can tell it's 100% cotton. The feel of each one of the squares, they are fully full. As far as the elastic, it is there, has so much a stretch to it. How it goes on the bed is super easy. So guys, we're gonna do our 24-hour sleep, and we're gonna come back and let you tell you how our overnight sleep was. So stay tuned to our overnight.
I'm on hiatus.